Hey friends, after you binge watch HGTV over the weekend, you wake up thinking, man, I could probably do that. But what HGTV doesn't tell me is, how does the money work? Where am I supposed to get the money to buy a house and then remodel it? Well, the great news is I can help you with that. And unless you have a reality show, you're going to need to borrow some money. So let's say that you want to buy this house. Clearly it needs some work, but who's going to pay for all the work? Who's going to pay for those windows? Who's going to pay for all that stuff you got to put in there? Well, we got a couple of options, and the options really break down into two categories. The first category is a loan with the escrow for the repairs. The other category is a renovation loan. Now, if the seller is going to pay for the work to be done, then we loan you the money to buy the house, and then we put some of the seller's money for the repairs into an escrow account. So for example, if we're going to buy this house for $100,000 and it needs $20,000 worth of work, we take the $20,000 from the seller's proceeds and we escrow that into an account, and then we pay the contractors as they do the repair. Now, if you're paying for the repairs, then we loan you the money to buy the house, and then you bring in the extra $20,000 and we put that money in the escrow account and we pay it out to the contractors as the work is completed. That's called a home purchase with escrows for the repairs. Well, let's say you don't have the $20,000 for the repairs. Okay, no problem. We'll loan you the money to buy the house, and then we loan you a little extra money to do the repairs. We still put the extra money in the escrow account, and we still pay the contractors out as the work is completed. So you're probably asking, well, how much money can I borrow? Well, it depends on what type of loan we're doing and how much you need for the repairs. Typically, you need between 3.5% and 5% down to buy the house, and then we loan you the money for the repairs depending on what type of repairs you need. And then we can even add in extra money for appliances and dishwashers, refrigerators, washer dryers. So I hope this helps. I hope we can help you figure out how to buy a house and rehab it. I'm sure you'll have more questions, so please let me know by either emailing me or calling me, or you can text me. Let's get started on your home renovation adventure. Thanks and have a great day.